So read this question. A factory works 9 hours per day. So working hour of the factory is 9 hours per day and as 5-day week. So this factory is working for 9 hours per day and it is open for 5 days. A worker requires 9 hours for completion of a job. So they are saying that one worker will require 9 hours to complete the job. Okay. However, under incentive schemes, if he completes the job in 6 hours, okay. So they are saying that normally worker will take 9 hours to complete the work. But sometimes what may happen if he can complete the work in 6 hours also. So in that case, he will get the incentive because you're giving him 9 hours. Okay. But if worker completes his work in 6 hours, so it is a savings no, for the company. How many hours are saved? 3 hours savings. So in that case, company will give him the incentive. Incentive means like bonus for purpose that you're working faster. So the job you are required to complete in 9 hours. If you're completing in 6 hours, you will get 3 hours saving no, from company point of view. So this will be considered for incentive calculation. And what is the wage per hour? 70 rupees per hour. So worker will get 70 rupees for 1 hour. So if he's working for 1 hour, he will get how much rupees? 70 rupees. Now we have to calculate what will be his wage under Halsey plan and Rowan plan separately. Okay, understood the question, everything, I think so. So let us start with the illustration. First, we will do the Halsey plan. Halsey premium plan. Okay. So Halsey premium plan formula is, just now we have seen Halsey formula, time taken into time rate plus 50% of the time saved into time rate. Okay. So Halsey plan, first we will note down the basic details. Time allowed. What is the time allowed? Time taken. Okay. And time saved. So this basic details we will have to calculate first. What is the time allowed? 9 hours. Company is giving the workers 9 hours, but worker completes in 6 hours. So what will be the time saved? Everybody tell. Time allowed is 9 hours, but if you are completing the work in 6 hours, what will be the savings in time? Everybody fast. Simple logic now. You are given 9 hours and you are completing the work in 6 hours. What will be the savings in time? 3 hours. Correct. 3 hours. Yes, correct. Very good. Simple. You are given 9 hours and you're completing in 6 hours. So how many hours you are saving for the company? 3 hours. Okay. And what is the wage rate per hour? Wage rate per hour. It is also given the question that if worker is working for 1 hour, he will get 70 rupees. See, he will get 70 rupees. So rupees 70 per hour. Okay. Now Halsey plan, we can apply all the data we are having. See, so now use the formula. Halsey plan is equal to time taken into time rate plus 50% of time saved into time rate. Okay. Now everybody tell everything is with us only. Now just we have to apply the formula. What is the time taken? Time taken by worker is 6 hours. Okay, into time rate 70 rupees 70 plus 50% into what is the time saved? 3 hours. 3 hours. What you do? You put this in bracket plus sorry, into time rate. What is the time rate? 70 rupees 70. So now do the calculation. How you can do? 6 into 40 will be 420 plus 50% into 3 will be how much? 1.5, no? 1.5 into 70. How much it is? 50% into 3 will be 1.5, and 1.5 into 70 will be how much? 1.5 into 70. 105. Yes or no? So 420 plus 105. How much will be the wage of the worker? 525. Understood? Clear? Simple. See, everything is with you. Just we have applied the data in the formula. Time taken 6 hours. Time rate 70. Time saved 3 hours. So 50% of 3, 1.5, and time rate 70. So after doing the calculation, you will get the final answer. So wage as per Halsey plan will be 525 per worker. Okay. Clear everybody this much? See, 525. Clear? Yes, good. Note down everybody. Then we can go with the row 1 plan. Now row 1 plan. What are the basic details? First, we will note down time allowed. All the details will be same only. Time allowed, time taken, time saved, okay, and time rate per hour. Okay, time allowed 9 hours given in the question. Time taken 6 hours. Time saved 3 hours. And time rate is 70 rupees, 70 per hour. Okay. So Rowan plan formula. Last class we have done a Rowan plan. We can take it from here only. Rowan plan. As per Rowan plan, wage will be time taken into time rate plus time saved divided by time allowed into time taken into time rate. Okay, so everybody can solve this. As per Rowan plan, wages will be calculated as time taken into time rate plus time saved divided by time allowed into time taken into time rate. So time taken, what is the time taken by the worker? 6 hours. Okay, into time rate rupees 70 plus time saved 3 hours divided by time allowed 9 hours into time taken 6 hours into time rate 70. So solve this. How you can solve? 6 into 70 will be rupees 420 plus 3 divided by 9 into 6 into 70. 3 divided by 9 into 6 into 70. How much? 3 divided by 9 into 6 into 70. How much it is? 13.9, 139.99 rupees, 139.99. You can write it as 140 also. Please check the calculation from your side also. 420 plus 140. How much it is? 560. Yes or no? Understood this, everybody? Okay, so wages as per Rowan plan will be rupees 560